Hey guys, today let's learn how to check if you got shadow banned on Instagram. So in the case that you suspect yourself that you got shadow banned on the Instagram application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys what are the pointers to look at or look for to know if you got shadow banned. So what we can do to actually do this is to double check our Instagram application. And I want you to go ahead and launch your specific account that you prefer to use. Now in this case, I'm going to go ahead and log on to my preferred account right here. And once you've already logged into that preferred account, of course, you need to go ahead and locate the insights of your Instagram account. Now, currently I'm using a personal account, which is why it's not showing me the Instagram insights. But what we want to do is to go ahead and locate the specific professional account that you're currently using and go ahead and see the Instagram insights on there. Now, by looking on the Instagram insights, if you basically notice a sudden or sustained drop in your engagement, then it is actually possible that you have been shadow banned. Now, that is all for this video, guys. That is how you know and check if you got shadow banned on Instagram. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.